If you want to connect your USB flash drive to Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, in some cases you might use an adapter. For example, my adapter looks like this. This is a pretty standard USB-C to USB-A adapter. And all I need to do is simply connect the flash drive to the adapter, and then the adapter goes to the device, to the S25 Ultra. There we go. Now, if you have USB-C flash drive, then you might be able to directly just plug it into the USB port on your S25 Ultra. However, if the flash drive doesn't work, then in that case you might need to get additional hub or some sort of device that allows you to connect the flash drive to that hub and then the hub to the phone. Once you connect the USB device, you can go to notifications in order to find the information about the USB storage, at least if it is a storage, of course. Since we are talking about the USB flash drive, then it should be a storage, of course. And later on, if you want to unmount it safely without any issues, then you want to go to the notification and tap on the arrow on the right side, and then over here you can find unmount. If you don't have the notification, then you can go to My Files app, go to USB storage, and then in the top right corner, tap on these three dots, and here we have unmount. And after that, once you see the information that the storage has been unmounted, we can safely remove the flash drive from the phone. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!